Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including those for Fundrise and related resources, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Fundrise, a real estate investment app review and usage experience. Fundrise is a real estate investment platform democratizing access to private real estate markets. With its user-friendly app and low minimum investment requirements, starting at just $10 with a starter portfolio, Fundrise has become a game-changer for individuals seeking to diversify their investment holdings with real estate. It eliminates the need for significant upfront capital and the complexities of direct property management. One of Fundrise's most appealing features is its accessibility. The low barrier to entry, starting with that $10 minimum, makes it easy for anyone to begin investing. For investors seeking greater control and portfolio diversification, Fundrise offers higher-tier plans, such as Core and Advanced. These plans unlock access to larger investment deals and personalized portfolio strategies, catering to both novice and seasoned investors. Fundrise emphasizes diversification through its EREITs and EFUNDs, which are expertly managed portfolios comprised of income-generating properties. These investments span a range of asset classes including residential complexes, commercial properties, and new developments. By allowing you to invest in multiple properties nationwide, Fundrise mitigates risk while offering the potential for consistent returns through dividends and property value appreciation. Transparency is another key strength of Fundrise. The platform provides a comprehensive dashboard within the app that details your portfolio's performance, including dividend payouts, appreciation, and projected returns. You gain clear visibility into where your money is invested and receive regular project updates. This degree of transparency, often lacking in private real estate investments, fosters trust and confidence among investors. Fundrise has a track record of delivering consistent historical returns, typically ranging between 8% and 12% annually, although these returns can fluctuate based on market conditions. This performance makes it an attractive option for investors aiming to strike a balance between risk and reward within their portfolios. While Fundrise offers numerous advantages, it's crucial to remember that real estate is a long-term investment. The platform reinforces this principle by structuring investments with limited liquidity. This means you should be prepared to hold your investment for a minimum of 5 years. In summary, Fundrise provides an excellent platform for investors looking to incorporate real estate into their portfolios with minimal effort and a modest initial investment. Its accessibility, diversification strategy, and commitment to transparency make it a leading choice in the real estate crowdfunding landscape. Click the links in the description to explore Fundrise further and determine if it aligns with your financial objectives. This review is designed to help you assess whether Fundrise is the right investment app for your journey.